Okay, this is an unboxing video of a 1/18 scale car got from eBay. Here we go. Poor planning. Way poor planning. uh, There's a 1/18 scale car I picked up from eBay. I'm trying to cut this with a knife. That's a little bit. There we go. Got it. Hope I didn't accidentally cut the box by accident. Here we go. Let's see what's in here. And oh boy, packing peanuts. This is gonna be fun to do. Let's hope I'm making a mess. Bear with me, y'all. I know it's raining packing peanuts in here. I'm trying to keep everything in one spot so I won't make a mess so badly. Okay, they are. Okay, this is not going well. This is embarrassing. Trying to do an unboxing video, and this is becoming a little bit of a flop and a half. Okay, then I see the car. Alright, woohoo! Here it is. Let's just get some of this mess cleaned up if I can. Well, there's pros and cons about packing peanuts. It's very messy to do. Okay, enough of packing peanuts. Let's see the car, shall we? What do we have here? And this is from the store, picked up from eBay. Thanks again. You get any other feedback, positive feedback, buddy. Thank you very much. And here she is. Meyers Manx Doom Buggy. Pretty. And it's purple. Neat little front end. It's called a soft top model, which I don't know if it's between soft top or hard top, but look at the details on that engine. Wow. Well, that's probably on camera, but it's a nice detailed Volkswagen engine. It's got the old Kragers. Yeah, that's dope. I don't know why these cars are never sold in the States. This brand was sold in the States in the past, but you don't see them anymore. It's got some weight to it for a little Doom Buggy. Yeah, it looks really nice. Well, that's about sums it up on the video. Hope you enjoyed my first attempt of doing a video, and got a mess to clean up in here. Yeah. Oh, I'm laying in the box. Whee! Oh, dang it. And that's it. And yeah, I got a problem. Oh boy, too many diecast cars, so little time for whatever, buddy.